Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase Auth with a React login page, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Firebase Auth with a React login page, you will need to follow these steps. Begin by creating a new React application if you haven't already. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myapp to generate a new app. Navigate into your project directory with cd myapp. Next, install the Firebase package using the command npm install firebase. Once the Firebase package is installed, head to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Follow the prompts to name your project and complete the setup. Once your project is created, click on Add App and select Web. Register your app and note the Firebase configuration object provided. In your React app, create a new file named firebaseconfig.js. In firebaseconfig.js, import Firebase and initialize your Firebase app using the configuration object. Export the Firebase authentication instance from this file. Next, create a login component, for example, login.js. In the login.js file, import the Firebase authentication instance. Create a form that includes input fields for the user's email and password. Handle the form submission with a function that calls Firebase authentication sign-in with email and password method. Update the component's state based on form inputs to capture the email and password values. Remember to manage any errors that occur during the login process. Provide user feedback for a successful login or any errors encountered. After building your login functionality, you should now set up routing. Install React Router DOM by running npm install React Router DOM. In your app.js, import the necessary components from React Router DOM. Use the browser router and route components to set up routes for your application. Make sure to include a route for your login component. Finally, test your login implementation in the browser by running npm start. Verify that users can log in using their email and password. In case of any issues, check for error messages in the console to troubleshoot. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.